Let's be honest. When it comes to locking in, the real problem isn't focusing, it's the distractions. Distractions like TikTok, notifications, and doom scrolling. So when it's time to lock in, your mind rebels. Now that's the problem, but how do we fix it? Watch till the end of this video to find out. Here's a no fluff, no BS guide on how to actually lock in, step by step. Step 1. Eliminate before you motivate. Forget motivation. It's unreliable. You don't need to feel ready. You need to remove friction. First, kill your distractions. Put your phone on silent. Second, define your battlefield. One desk, one task. If your environment is chaos, your focus will match it. You can't win a war if the enemy is sitting next to you. Step 2. The 3-task rule. Most people's to-do lists are wish lists. When everything's a priority, nothing is. Do this instead. Every morning, write down just 3 critical tasks. Not 10, not 5, 3. These are the things that actually make progress. The rest is just noise. Then, do them in order. No multitasking, no skipping. Step 3. The 50-10 system. Here's the structure. 50 minutes deep work, 10 minutes rest. During those 50 minutes, go dark. No checking messages, no quick breaks. You're just focused at the task at hand. Then in the 10-minute break, don't run to your phone to doom scroll. Repeat this 4 times, and you've done more in 4 hours than most people do in a day. Step 4. Make it your identity, not just effort. Stop saying I'm trying to focus. Instead say, I'm the kind of person who locks in. Because your identity drives your actions. If you believe you're disciplined, you'll act disciplined. Build that self-image every time you show up. Make locking in who you are, not something you occasionally do. Step 5. The shutdown ritual. Before you end your day, close the loop. Review what you did. Write down tomorrow's top 3. Then shut down completely. No guilt, no, just one more thing. That's how you recover properly and start the next day ready to dominate. Locking in isn't about grinding 24/7. It's about control. Control of your time, your focus, and your mind. Kill all distractions. Simplify your priorities. Protect your energy. That's how you lock in and actually get things done. If you found any of this helpful, consider hitting the like and follow button. Until next time.